Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate iMessage on iPhone after changing SIM, full guide step by step clearly. To activate iMessage on your iPhone after changing your SIM, start by ensuring your iPhone is powered on. Insert the new SIM card into your iPhone. Once the SIM is in place, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Toggle the iMessage switch to the on position. Wait for a moment as your device activates iMessage. If prompted, enter your Apple ID and password. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can create one by tapping on Use your Apple ID for iMessage. Once you have successfully signed in, return to the Messages setting. Check if the Send and Receive section displays your phone number. If your phone number is not listed, tap on it to add it. Make sure that your new number is verified with iMessage. After you have confirmed your numbers, you may want to restart your iPhone. To do this, hold down the power button until the Slide to Power Off option appears. Slide to power off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone is back on, open Settings and go back to Messages. Ensure that iMessage is still toggled on. Try sending a test iMessage to confirm that the service is working. If there are any issues, you can tap on Send and Receive to review your settings once more. Finally, if problems persist, consider resetting your network settings by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Your iPhone will restart, and you can then repeat the prior steps to activate iMessage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.